Alchemy review, demo, and $3,697 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Alchemy review. This is a brand new product released by Ashendorf and Ezzaky, okay? So if you need traffic, this will be something super interesting for you, and this is not the usual traffic source that you might think about. No, it's not social media, it's not email. I'm going to show you exactly what it is. But before, let me tell you that this is super intelligent, and the way Dan and Ezzaky are using it is super just creative, and you should be doing it this exact way, okay? So as always, I have a huge, almost $4,000 bonus to it, definitely the biggest bonus package to Alchemy. Let me share my screen, let's jump into it. So this is the sales page, and as you can see, it says Alchemy new technology is taking the world by storm. Send affiliate offers straight to customers' mobiles. Start earning in 60 seconds or less. Okay, so the cool thing is that this will work both on mobile devices and computers. Okay, so normally if you're sending emails, it's a huge problem, because sometimes email will go to spam, which means that essentially 80% of people probably won't see your email unless they're going to go to the spam folder, and if they are interested in it. Okay, so this is bypassing email, this is bypassing all the social media. It is going directly in front of the eyes of the people that are checking out whatever you want them to check out. New software means you can ditch email marketing, say goodbye to Gmail spam folders, earn today. So let me scroll down here. They have some testimonials, a simple 3-step process. Scrolling down here, you can go through all of this as always in your own time. Alchemy does this new product released by Ashendorf and Ezzaky, and this is my Alchemy review. 60 seconds. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. We're going to do a little demo. You're gonna have some bonuses mentioned right here on the sales page. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones. 30 days money back guarantee. You know the drill. So again, Ashendorf and Ezzaky are the two marketers behind Alchemy, and let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, so before I'm actually going to show you all of the stats, let me show you actually how to use it and how it looks like. Okay, so you will need a website for this, because this is a WordPress plugin. Okay, so with that being said, you should already have a website if you are in any niche, because this is your online hub. Okay, so how it works is you will be locking down pieces of content. Okay, so whatever you're sharing on your website, it can be your content or other people's content, you can lock it, and you can force people to opt in to your push notifications list before they can see the rest of it. Okay, so let me just show you how this works. Okay, so I'm in the posts right now, so let me just view one of the posts and let's see. So we have the post, it works with whatever you want. So essentially, someone has to play the video right here, and again, this can be any video, your video, someone else's video, etc. And in a second, as you can see, we have this pop-up. So as you can see, this says you can set it up to anything you want. Okay, so this can be a free gift, this can be going to an opt-in page, to an offer, to anything you want. Okay, but the way Dan is using it is, he says, if you want to continue watching the video, you're gonna have to opt in. Okay, so if you're gonna click right here on continue to watch the video, as you can see, people will have to allow notifications. So let me click on it right now, and in a second a notification will pop up right here on the bottom right corner. As you can see, if we're going to click on it, then we are going to a link that we've set up. Okay, so this can be any link. This can be another blog post of yours, this can be an affiliate offer, a CPA offer, your e-com store, anything. Okay, even a YouTube video if you want to. Okay, so this is how it forces people to, first of all, watch your video, because if a video is locked, it is sort of like a psychology principle. If a video is locked, then people will be paying more attention to it. This is something that looks more exclusive to them versus just a normal video they can watch at any point. Okay, so first of all, more engagement on the video itself, on the content of your whole page, and then you are building a notification list, okay, which means that you can message all these people that are on your list with anything at any point. So this is free traffic on demand, And obviously you're gonna be making tons of sales, both from the notifications that will pop up while the video is playing, but also down the road, because down the road you can send notifications as well. So this is brilliant. It creates more engagement, it creates traffic for you, and it gets you more sales. Pretty amazing, right? So let me go back to the Alchemy plugin right now. So this is super simple to set up. As you can see, we have all of the options right here, so we can send notifications. I'm not going to be creating a new notification right now, but I'm just going to show you all of this. And by the way, I'm going to have a full demo and a case study as well. Okay, so if you're watching on my blog, you will find it below this video, and if you're on YouTube, this will be the 2 videos I will upload after this review video. Okay, so you can check it out as well. Essentially, we have notification title, message, we have the link right here, the icon, and an image. So what you saw, this little pop-up box, essentially you can edit anything you want. Okay, let's go to push settings. So we have 2 things right now. So we have the welcome notification, and then we have different posts. Okay, so you can set this up on any post, and also this works with WooCommerce. So if you actually have an e-com store, this will work with it as well. Let's go to push subscribers. Now this is where you can see all of your subscribers and where they're connecting from. And again, this works on mobile as well. Okay, so it's super powerful, because on mobile, again, you're bypassing all the BS on the social media. You're bypassing the spam folder with Gmail or Yahoo. You're going directly in front of their face. So it shows exactly how they are connecting right here. Then we have notification stats. So obviously you're going to be getting all the stats on how many times people clicked, if they bought, if they didn't buy, etc. Then we have opt-in settings. So again, you can set up everything when it comes to your pop-up. So you can see it right here on the right corner right here. So you can edit all of this. You can edit the colors, the text, the images, and obviously the link where you're going to be sending all these people. And then we have YouTube videos. So essentially you will need a YouTube video to engage this whole process on that blog post page. But again, this can be any YouTube video. It doesn't have to be your YouTube video. Okay, so we are just adding the channel ID and the post. So it can be 10 seconds, 5 seconds, half a minute, totally up to you. So that's essentially it. It's super simple to set up. Essentially you need 60 seconds. Then obviously you're going to need the blog post itself. But again, this can be any video that you find on YouTube, and you can start first of all creating more engagement, creating that push notification list, generating traffic, and more sales. Super brilliant, and it doesn't take a ton of time. It's 60 seconds or less. Okay guys, right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, it will be $17, guys. This is super cheap, when it comes to the power behind it. Okay, so you can create an additional traffic source with it. So even if you're already using email or YouTube or Twitter or Facebook or Pinterest or whatever you're using, this is just an additional traffic source that you can use. You can email these people or message these people whenever you need extra traffic. Okay, 17 bucks, super low. Okay, Alchemy upgrade number 1, it's $67, and this is the unlimited version. So the main version does have some limitations. You'll be fine with it, and you'll be seeing results, and you'll be able to send traffic and get sales. But if you want the unlimited version, that's a $67. Alchemy upgrade number 2, this is $197. And here you're getting done for you materials, obviously for generating traffic and also for making sales. So you're going to be skipping the trial and error. It's all done for you. Alchemy upgrade number 3, $97, and this is even more traffic because you can put your Google Pixel on the Alchemy sales page and then siphon the traffic out, which is essentially retargeting, which is paid traffic, but you are paying pennies for the traffic. Okay, Alchemy upgrade number 4, this is reseller license, which means that you can pay $67 and be able to sell Alchemy as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. So not just the main product, all 6 products, as you can see. And last up, we got upgrade number 5 to Alchemy group coaching masterminds. It's only $77. And this is exactly what it is. Group coaching. You're going to be coached by Dan in a group, and this will be about making money online, affiliate marketing, and much more. Okay, so that's upgrade number 5. As always, guys, Upgrades are optional. You'll be fine with the Alchemy front end, the main version alone. But again, if you want to make your life a little bit easier, maybe with the done for you pack or with the reseller's license that allows you to make more money by promoting Alchemy, you can definitely consider picking one of these up. Now, let me show you all of my bonuses because I have a huge bonus package. And before I'm going to show you the bonuses, let me just mention that Alchemy goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on April 28th. If you want to get all these bonuses that I'm about to mention, all you have to do is pick it up from my link. To pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links if you are on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the second link in the description to go directly to the sales page, or the first link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you free custom made bonuses, and these are free additional traffic sources that you can use. Okay, so obviously the more traffic you can generate, the more money you'll make, and these are free additional traffic sources. I'm also going to give you a bunch of Fiverr courses. Make some additional money on Fiverr, so you're going to get Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, additional traffic sources, newbie traffic formula, Flip Me Income Booster, reseller's license, to Flip Me, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits. These are the two courses I actually released with Dan some time ago. We got Blaze, we got Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a powerful bundle of additional software and plugins, okay? What you're getting is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Agent Press, Phase Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Posts Widget, WordPress Courses plugin, Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, and Facebook Photo Contest. Now that's a total of 51 bonuses, but I'm not done because you are also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, which means that you're getting a total of $3,697 worth of bonuses, and these are real bonuses. These are not, PLR or MMR. These are real courses, real plugins, real software, custom bonuses, and also W's of the day awarded products and product of the day awarded products. So you're getting all of this again for free, just as a thank you for picking up Alchemy from my link. And again, to do so, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, first link in the description takes you to my blog, second link in the description takes you to the sales page. And the second link in the description will only start working after 11 a.m. Eastern on April 28th, so keep that in mind. So let's sum up this Alchemy review. It works in 60 seconds or less, as you saw. It works on autopilot, sends affiliate offers or any other offers directly into mobile phones, or it also works on desktop, and you are bypassing the email spam folders. No mobile's number required, so this is not SMS. This is just something that pops up on the screen on a mobile or on a screen if you're just using a computer. No list or page traffic required, and full training is included on how to use it. I didn't show you the training, but you will get the video training on how to use it and also how to make money with it, okay? What I don't like about Alchemy, the only thing that I could think about is that this is a WordPress plugin, so you will need a website, okay? But with that being said, if you don't have a website, hosting nowadays starts as like $2 per month. You can get a domain for like $5 to $10, so you should have a website. If you don't have one, just start one. It will be your online hub. This is where you're gonna have all your content, your blog posts, your videos, or even just your squeeze pages, or whatever you're selling. You can also have all the links on your website. So that's a minus, but with that being said, you should already have a website. And before you go, let me tell you that I have a full written review as always, so you can go through this as well. And let me just show you how to claim my bonus after you will pick up Alchemy through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus, so click on the top right corner icon with your name right here, go to the purchase history, find Alchemy, and below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you claim my Alchemy bonuses. You don't have to send me emails or receipts, it is all done for you automatically. And before I go, let me just mention again that Alchemy goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on April 28th. Make sure to pick it up through my link to get all of these bonuses. This was my Alchemy review, and if you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!